auki. Yeah, Mikko's a sick guy.
We'll fix it up.
Yeah.
Good job.
Hey, today's gonna be absolutely awesome. I'm heading to Sappe Bike Park for the weekend of bike park riding at Sappe Bike Fest. It's gonna be 3 days. I'm probably gonna divide these videos into 3 parts, so day 1, day 2, day 3. So instead of making like one crazy long video. And I have a bunch of friends coming along. We're gonna stay together in a cottage. We're gonna stretch some trails. I'm also taking part in 2 races, which I've never done before, so that's pretty scary, but also exciting. I went totally overboard with packing. I took so much stuff with me. Since there's gonna be races and we're gonna be riding for the whole weekend, I didn't want anything to go wrong or anything to spoil my fun, so I took like extra wheels from my other bike. I took so many like replacement parts. I took all my tools. I took all my video gear, obviously. So much stuff. But now I'm prepared for absolutely anything. Well, almost anything. Yeah, this is gonna be such a blast. I'm so stoked. I've been waiting for this for so many months and now it's finally happening and it's finally here. So let's go pick up Mikko and then we'll head on to Sappe Bike Park. It's my first time going to Sappe Bike Fest and only my second time at that bike park at all. And I wanted to record the whole experience. That's why I'm doing this video in a very heavily travel/vlog format. I had to make a quick stop at Varuste.net to pick up a pair of new goggles, some chain lube and some vauhtikarkki. So today's video is going to be a bit funny language-wise because we're going to a bike park in Finland and there's going to be loads and loads of people there. And hopefully I'll talk to those people. And we're going to obviously speaking Finnish. So I'm just going to subtitle those parts and I'm going to do all the speaking to you guys in English. So hopefully, even though it's going to be bilingual, it's still going to be easy to watch. That's the hope anyway. I'm so excited! I'm so excited! Pit stop off to the store. And we have arrived at Sappe after our epic 2-hour road trip with 1 stop. Hello!
Hi. What's up, dude?
Okay, so far it's just Mikko, me and Andrei, and the rest of the guys are coming later. But we can't wait, we have to hit the trails. So we're just setting up our bikes, put on all our kit, and we're about to go and head to the ticket office to get our tickets and get the first laps in. Can't wait! Okay, so do you have a ticket already?
Yeah, I have it.
Okay, me and Mikko, we need to go and buy them.
I think I have a ticket in my pocket.
Oh, okay. Okay, then I need to go. Yes, yeah.
Kiitos.
Got my ticket, off to meet with the boys at the Larunpyörä tent. Bike Fest, baby! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go!
Where's my t-shirt?
Moi! Ei, moi! Where's my mitä?
Missä on mun teepaita?
Mikä vitun teepaita?
En mä
Onks
tiedä,
tilannut
en
jo?
mä oo tilannut vielä.
No sitten.
Mun pitäis tilaa
Korjataan asia.
se Dead Sailor tai sit mä tilaan sen hitto se kypäräpää oli.
Se oli vaan Geezer-Skull, mä
Joo.
laitoin sen nimeksi. Yes,
Joo,
tosi kova.
se.
Okay, easy on the first run, boys. Oh, it's dusty as fuck. Uh-oh, whoa. Oh yay! We had to stop in the middle of the track because there was a crash before us and there were some people fishing a little girl rider from the bush. I think she went over a berm and then just flew into the bushes. So she's okay, thankfully, but I had to stop filming there for a bit and to stop traffic while they were like checking that she's okay, which she seemed to be, which is great.
I haven't seen it like that.
We can also do Daisy for the warm-up.
Daisy?
Ja. Miltä Mikko tuntui toi rata?
Ei paskempi ollenkaan. Not paskempi at all.
Not the most paska. Totta. Uh-oh. So much, way too much speed.
Pelkästään Supersonicilla ne vois
Pysähtyä siinä dropilla vai?
joo.
Mikko ei ikinä ajanut sitä. Miltä sulla luonnistuu dropit?
Isot dropit pieni kuumottaa.
Okei, joo, pysähdytään siinä, niin voidaan speksaa. Joo, mennään sinne.
Sen pystyy sit kiertämään sen
Joo.
dropin kyllä siitä vierestä.
Joo, mutta jäädään tsekkaa sitä kuitenkin.
Joo.
Jäädä ihmettelemään.
Joo. Vitsi, et pöllyä, ei näe mitään, jos tulee liian lähellä.
Sit on ihan sikana sitä löysää.
Joo.
Jos tässä tulla sitä, kun mä tuun aina tosta.
Joo, mä just mietin, että tuolla vähän harta.
Hetkinen, tää muuten menee nyt tästä maajoukkoa.
Joo, siis rollercoaster menee tonne oikealle. Mä en itse asiassa ikinä ajanut loppupäätä, mikä menee tonne vasemmalle. Mä ajan vaan ton rollercoaster.
Joo. No mennään siitä. Pysähdytään tuossa kallion päällä tuossa sit taas. Eli mennään ton laiturin tuosta vasemmalta puolelta ja pysähdytään siinä, katsotaan siitä ne linjat sinne pari linjaa.
Tässä lautaseinässä on varmaan sitä inhottavaa teräsverkkoa, mistä mä tykkään.
Joo, niin on.
Joo, taitaa olla kanaverkkoa.
Miltä tää näyttää?
Ei se nyt näytä hirveän mukavalta.
Okei. Haluatko sä nähdä, kun joku ajaa siitä?
Joo.
Mä voin haluatko mennä?
Ja toi ländi, se on tosi niinku
Se on joo, se on oikeesti, jos se on meitä tarpeeksi nopea, se on meitä suoraan
Joo,
sinne
se-
ländiin.
Sulla on niin hyvä pyörä, että et sä huomaa sitä. I need to put some more air into my shock, it's bottoming out.
Oh, okay, yeah, definitely put some more. That's why I put some more in mine.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Go.
mulla on vähän tälleen. Kaikista paras oli, kun mä näin ihan tästä vasemmalla.
Joo, se on kai muuten.
Joo.
Mutta eihän tässä ole siis mitään kahden jännää.
On tämmöset pikkuset niinku dropit.
Joo. Mitä sen jälkeen tulee?
Sitten tulee vaan toi pari bermiä ja sit pikku hyppy, minkä voi rullata ja
Okei.
sit tulee bermi ja sit ollaankin jo. Mut ei tule enää mitään.
Okei,
Lähtee se toinen.
mennään vaan. Voi vaan ajaa.
Frutsi, jee!
Man, I love riding bikes.
Pölynen. Supper video, my glasses were like this. I was like, what the fuck am I looking at?
Okay, let's go and check it out. Moi! Couple of MTVers, eikö niin? Noniin, vihdoinkin nähdään livenä. Moikka, Teo. Ai, Wheelie Geezer. Se on mun nimi. Joo, mennään sinne. Joo, Supersonic plus Supersonic ja se... Mitä?
Se on punainen. Ei se on niin vaikea.
Joo.
Mun mielestä se on oikeesti se niin.
Se on helpompi se laiturin rata kuin mitä se oli se mitä mä äsken ajattelin.
Se on oikeesti superauto.
Ja sen voi ajaa aika hiljaa.
Se voi ajaa tosi hiljaa. Ne ei oo semmosia jyrkkiä wallrideja, mihin sun pitäis mennä oikeesti siihen seinälle, vaan sä voit silleen niinku himmoilla. Okei, let's go! So dusty! Yoo! Woohoo! Yksi parhaista asioista pyöräilyssä on se, että mä tunnen itteni ihan 15-vuotiaaksi aina kun mä oon pyörän päällä. Tekee mieli vaan silleen hyppiä, pomppia ja iloita. Yes, okay, I'll go first, but we'll go slow. We'll go really slow.
Yeah, sure.
Stop!
Stop!
You didn't hear me screaming stop. That's the interesting part.
Not too bad, but that fucking turn in the middle is kind of shit.
Yeah, so there's loads of lines that you can take. Jos saa seuraa tuota kallioa, niin sitten toihan ei oo siis mikään toi.
Eli enemmänkin se on toi...
Tästä.
Joo. Aha.
Ja ei ehkä ihan noin kaukaa.
Näytä mulle sun reitin.
Just noin.
Joo, hyvä.
Just tolle. Ei siis tossa pystyy varmaan niinku tulla aika hitaasti näin. Sitten tästä päästään irti. Niinku, jotta sä saat käännettyä tässä, niin älä jarruta enää niinku tässä kohtaa. Tässä päästä jarrut irti, että muuten sä et saa käännettyä, muuten sä menet just silleen tonne suuntaan. Tääkin on niinku, tää ei oo niin niinku vaikea oikeesti kuin miltä se näyttää, koska tästäkin voi vaan niinku... Tää on itse asiassa varmaan paras linja, kun tulee tosta vaan suoraan, tästä niinku painaa alas.
Vielä paremmin linja sun.
Yeah boy! Sä pystyt tulemaan se tosi hitaasti ja sitten myös pysäyttää pyörän kokonaan ja niinku astua sivuun.
Sä pystyt pysähtyä oikeesti.
Myös jos se... Hyvä! Kova! Nyt jarrut auki! Hyvä! Hyvä!
Meni aivan eri tavalla kuin piti.
Kova! I think the rest of the stuff was pretty like mellow if I remember correctly. What's up?
Okay, game plan meeting.
Okay.
Firestarter is red. If you ride Firestarter, treat it as a red line.
Firestarter is
A red line. It's marked as blue. It's not a blue line. It's a red line. If you go too fast, you will crash if you don't know what's coming up.
Yeah, so take it
Very
slow.
slippery. And then, if you go over berms, you're gonna fucking fall a long way. It's like off the side of a mountain. So, I'm not trying to scare you, but I don't think they should have it as a blue line.
Yeah, but it's a flow trail, so there's no
It's a
junk.
flow
There's
trail,
no
but
no route.
you can roll everything, take it easy.
Yeah.
First get used to it, and then we can.
Yeah, I'm just this run. I'm gonna go slow and do like tiny jumps and case them because I don't
Yeah.
remember what it feels like.
Yeah, exactly. Because there's a lot of if you can case them, but if you go too far over,
yes.
you're gonna go like very far.
Yeah.
The jumps are like fucking towers.
Yeah.
They actually really scary.
But that's also the line right where the night ride is.
Is it?
I think so.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, let's.
So-
do it, boys.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Can we go and check out maajoukkueen rata now? That is.
That was tricky. What the fuck was that?
What?
Mika,
Is
that was easy as fuck. That was your first black throw, my friend.
Second.
But here, so that's easy. You
yeah,
just come out
yeah.
on the
The
outside,
outside line is fine.
inside, and right here. This is the black part.
Okay.
You can fucking jump that.
Now I think I'm going to roll it because if you jump, you have to then be set up for the.
Well, okay, check out this.
Yeah.
Don't follow. Don't just look at that line. Check out that line.
Yeah, that's it. That's.
Yes, because look here. So here, perfect setup
Yeah, yeah.
for what's coming right there.
What's coming right there?
Well, it's a big drop, but not that big. It's a little one. Right? This
Where's the drop?
this is the big drop. Like,
But it's a ladder.
big drop.
Okay.
So
Okay.
the reason you wanna probably do that line
Yeah.
is because if you come on this one, you're setting up for this line,
Yeah, yeah.
and then you kind of have to awkwardly turn
Yeah. Well,
and not.
I'll have to session it tomorrow and see
Yeah.
what's like what
You can
feels
also
good
use
for me.
this stone as
Yeah.
a berm if you come on this line. Can you see right here?
Yeah.
Use this as a berm, and wheels between those rocks, and then jump.
Yeah.
back. This is rollable.
You can roll that.
Yeah, this is.
So would you?
I think you can do it.
I think I'm sure you can do
literally
it.
just did everything up there, and it's as difficult as this. That
Uh,
wasn't difficult. Right here. Do it like that.
okay, I'm gonna come down. You wanna go see see how I do and then give feedback?
Yeah. Which line are you gonna?
I'm gonna try the outside line here. The
Are you sure?
what?
Yeah. Try. So, are you gonna roll?
Outside line here and then take the outside like the right line there again.
Yeah.
Interestingly, I'm not even nervous. This is a track we're gonna ride tomorrow. I'm sure I can do it at my own pace, but definitely not like fast race pace. And then from here. Okay. Hyvä Mikko! Hyvä! Mikko is a sick guy. This is the second black trail he's ever ridden. He's doing such a good job. So awesome to see. I can race that shit!
Good job, good job.
Thanks for the laps today. Super fun riding day. After some great bike park laps, we're now watching the whip-off competition.
Wrong side.
Tää yksi fistbumpi, saa mun video fistbumpeja paljon.
Get the ability to travel, to attend events.
That's it for day one. We're all dead tired now and tomorrow is race day. So time to go to sleep. Make sure to check out the next episode of day 2. Till then, keep riding. Bye!
Yeah, boy!